Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to moving vlog number 3. Today is Sunday. I spent a little bit of time this morning at Starbucks just because I had a lot of emails and stuff to catch up on, and like I said in yesterday's vlog, I won't have Wi-Fi in my apartment until Monday. So I just went over to Starbucks to use their Wi-Fi and to grab breakfast. But now we're back in the apartment. I got some deliveries today. I actually got both of my rugs, one for in the bedroom and then one for the living room. I'm not sure if I'll get around to laying those out today, but I got those. I got my desk chair and a desk lamp, but I don't have my desk yet, so those are kind of pointless, but I think my desk is coming in a couple of days. The biggest item on today's agenda is going to be to unpack everything in the kitchen. The kitchen is an absolute mess right now. I haven't unpacked anything yet. Hopefully I can get this room complete today, and by the end of the day I can clear out all of the boxes that are left in here. I am just gonna kind of work box by box and find a place for everything. I'm so excited. There are so many more cabinets and drawers in this kitchen than I had in my last one, so I know I'm gonna have like leftover space, which is amazing. I'm gonna line all the drawers with this stuff to help keep the bottoms of the drawers clean and also keep things from sliding around. These just like grip everything into place. I also ordered a few new organization things from Amazon for the kitchen. So I got this bamboo silverware organizer. It's like expandable on the side, so it can fit perfectly into whatever drawer you have. So I'm gonna put all my silverware and like utensils in here. And then I also ordered these bamboo drawer dividers, so they're also expandable, so I can help keep some of the bigger drawers organized with more kitchen utensils. Hello guys, I wanted to do a little kitchen status update. We still have a lot to do, but I've gotten through like 2 boxes of stuff, lots of dishes, glassware, and like silverware, some kitchen utensils, stuff like that. So this drawer over here looks so good. It's just all my silverware, lemon juicer, a few utensils over here. Haven't done anything with this drawer yet, but I'm kind of gathering all my like random little kitchen stuff over here, so those will go in here. And then haven't done anything with these drawers yet. I haven't gotten to the box with the rest of my like pots and pans and stuff, but since this cabinet is the biggest and pots and pans take up a lot of space, I'm gonna put all of my pots, pans, and lids down here. And then in here I have like strainers, steamers, and we'll put other like random stuff for cooking down here. And then up here, this is looking beautiful so far. So I just have my dishes. This whole dish set is from Our Place. And then I have these extra bowls over here from Target. And then these drinking glasses are just like regular drinking glasses for like water or whatever. These are the new ones that I got from West Elm, which I was super excited about because I thought I like found this hidden gem that was a really good deal. but it turns out they're plastic, not glass, so that explains why they were so cheap. It was like $17 for a 4-pack, but I'm not mad at it. I've been wanting glasses that look like this, and the ones from Amazon were like super expensive, so I feel like they still look high-end. It's just when you feel them, they're like really light because they're plastic, but I'm not mad at it because I actually don't have any other plastic drinking glasses. These are all glass. So it's probably good to have a set if I like have people over. It's probably better to use like non-breakable glasses. So I'll link them down below, and also the like glass ones from Amazon that are super popular. And then over here I just have all of my coffee mugs and then a few other like glassware pieces over here. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. This whole cabinet is empty still, but this is going to serve as my pantry. I feel like it's more than enough space. I might not even use it all for the pantry, but we'll see. It is later in the evening now. I've been unpacking kitchen stuff all day. It's a little after 6. I just postmated sushi. I'm so excited. Euphoria is on tonight. I'm just gonna have myself like a really great Sunday night, and I don't have work tomorrow or Tuesday because I took off to move, so it's just a great Sunday all around. Sorry if you can hear the dishwasher in the back. I'm running it on empty with like a cleaning pod in it, so it smells nice and fresh. But the kitchen's coming along. There's still more progress to be made, but I'm gonna show you where we're at right now. Here's what we have. I'm trying to figure out the countertop situation. I got a new toaster. How cute is this toaster? It's from Amazon. Kind of like a vintage Smeg look, but like not super expensive. I think this was like $40, but I can't figure out where to put it. I am like struggling to figure this corner out because I feel like something needs to go in the corner, but anything that plugs in, I feel like it looks weird having the cord go like that, and there's no outlet in the corner. Originally, I was gonna put my Keurig in the corner, but it just looked weird having the cord run over, and now the toaster looks weird too. And then I was gonna put this in the corner, but it is like just slightly too tall and it hits right there, so it can't go all the way back. So I can't figure out what to put back there. I don't think the toaster looks good there, so I'll probably pull this out more and put it like here and put something else over there, but that's still TBD. But the drawers and cabinets are starting to come together. So you guys saw that one already of the silverware. Then this one. In here we have this knife set and some cooking and measuring utensils. I used one of the dividers right here. It works so well. I'll link those down below. In this drawer here, I just have like aluminum foil, Ziploc bags, some chip clips, random stuff like that. And then in here, we still have some space to grow, but I have some oven mitts, which these are new. I got them off Amazon. Another TikTok recommendation, but they're so nice. We have the new kitchen towels from Target, and then over here I just have straws. This is like my drinkware drawer. So I have like bottle openers, some water bottle lids, and then up here I have all of my water bottles and like tumblers. There's some more up there. I have some in here that I need to wash, so those are gonna go in here too. And then up here we have all of my Ninja blender like accessories. There's a hand mixer up there, and then I have my electric kettle over here. You guys saw this too. We made some more progress, added some glassware up there. I can't believe still I have so much room. Don't really know what I'm gonna put up there. I'm also getting a bar cart, so I'm gonna keep all of that glassware up there, but I have some more glassware that's gonna go on the bar cart. Just so much space. Then over here is still pretty empty. This is gonna be like spices, condiments. I just have my extra coffee K-cups up there. This is so annoying, like the spices don't quite fit in a row. So I think I might have to get a new spice rack because that's gonna bother me. And then over here, this is gonna be like the pantry. So once I go grocery shopping, this will get filled. And then down here is like cutting boards and baking sheets. And then this has not been organized yet. I need to get some below the sink organizers, but this is gonna be like cleaning stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. It's looking good. I think right now while I wait for my sushi, I'm actually going to try to hang up my curtains. I don't know if this is something I can do by myself, but we're gonna see. I've been meaning to get this done, so let's open up the curtains and see if they'll even work for my windows that I have. I don't even know. So excited to eat this right now. I got some chicken fried rice, Philadelphia roll, and a shrimp tempura roll. This looks so good. I am about to take a shower and I'm gonna wash my hair tonight and put in a hair mask. And I wanted to share this tip that I found on TikTok once again, but in case you missed it, cleaning my shower is my least favorite chore ever. So this girl recommended getting one of these brushes that has a soap dispenser, and I filled 2/3 of this with dish soap and then the other 1/3 with vinegar. And you just keep it in your shower, and anytime you have a little extra time and you want to put in a hair mask, you can just scrub your shower while you're already in there. Very excited about this little life hack. Now I just finished watching Euphoria on my phone screen because that's the only place I can watch it for now until I have Wi-Fi. That's getting set up tomorrow, so very excited about that. But I'm gonna head to bed now, so I'm gonna end off this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We got lots done. The kitchen is pretty much all done with a few final touches left, but I'm going to pick up the vlog again tomorrow, so I will talk to you guys then. In the meantime, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Love you all, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye.